Placing frames. In the past few lessons, you've learned about notes and how to insert a page break and so forth. Here, I'm going to explain to you frames. Frames are used most often as a means of holding text or graphics. These boxes will give you control over the position of a block of text in your document. Frame text acts like a graphic. You can place it anywhere in the document and format it with shading and borders. Frames can be very useful when producing a newsletter or other layout-intensive documents. Frames can contain text, tables, multiple columns, pictures, and other objects. You can create a frame in several ways depending on your needs. I'll show you one by one. To create an empty frame, choose Insert menu and click Frame option. The frame dialog appears. Now you can click OK. This is the newly created frame. You can move, resize, and customize it later, or you can set the frame's characteristics at this stage. In order to create a frame containing a selection, select text or a graphic from the document. Then go to the Insert menu and choose the Frames option. Here is the Frame dialog box. In that, click on the OK button. The selected text is automatically deleted from the normal text flow and inserted into the frame. We can also insert frames using the Insert toolbar, but the Insert toolbar is in the disabled state. To enable it, go to the View menu and choose the Toolbars option. Then click on the Insert. In this, we have a lot of tools. Choose Insert Frame manually. Select the number of frames in the drop-down menu and drag the mouse to draw the frame. To format the frame, go to the Format menu and choose Frame Object option. The Frame dialog box opens up. In this dialog box, select the Borders tab to set the frame borders. After setting the border for the frame, we can define the background for the frame by using the Background tab. Type tab is used to specify the width and height of the frame. By using the Option tab, we can specify the name for the frame, and we can also protect the frame by selecting the Protecting Contents position and size. If you don't want to protect the frame, then just skip those fields. We can also set columns to frames. In the Columns tab, choose the number of columns for the framed text. After selecting these options, click OK to complete the operation. Note your frame has changed with your selected formatting options. You can also manipulate a frame in the following ways. To move it, click on the frame to select it. Move the cursor so that we get a four-headed arrow, and then drag your frame in any direction. To resize it, click on the frame and drag any of the handles. To edit the text, click inside the frame and edit the text as you wish. To delete it, click the frame and press Delete. For more options, right-click on Frame and choose one of the formatting options from the shortcut menu that appears. I hope you're now familiar with placing frames.